So we arrived in our new home and we put all our stuff out, and actually I had a nap, 1 hour nap. So I'm a little sleepy. And Madina will do the tour, so she will show us around.
I'm going to show you guys around.
Around.
We are going to start with the entrance.
The entrance. Let's go. Show us around.
So this is our entrance. You have this wooden door, which is like very nice crafted. We also have a lock. We could lock our entrance, and just when you arrive, you see this beautiful woman here welcoming you, like, oh, welcome. And a lot of plants, looking amazing. Doesn't smell, but looks nice. So little garden here. So we have a garden on the right side when you enter, and on the left side where you see the view. And we could sit down and enjoy the view. So these are like, what kind of trees are these?
I have no idea. Just palms, some kind of palms.
Yeah, and a lot of coconuts. Seb was saying, oh, coconut. And behind the coconuts you can see the rice field. So now I will show you the best part of this place. We have little fish. Let me call them for you. So we actually got this fish food. So I want to see how many there are here. So let's see. Ooh, they're very fast. Smells like, oof. They're not getting it.
I'm afraid of your hand. It's enough, maybe.
It's enough, they're not coming. Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Maybe they're already full.
No.
So we have a black fish and a white fish. So this is me and this is Seb. We have namaste. So now the tour begins with the kitchen. So we have a little fridge. Actually, it's not little, it's big. We didn't buy anything. We are going to buy after recording this video and record a shopping video, how we shop in Ubud, because we'll be cooking here. So the fridge is empty, nothing to see, but looks amazing. We have a plant here. We have a kettle and yeah, a lot of stuffs. You want to show them? Yeah, so here we have to buy water and put water, and we also have a shelf. We have guya here. This is our tea part, our oats, our remaining oats, and whatever it is. Let's go. So
she did not say anything about this beautiful picture.
oh, okay, the beautiful picture is amazing with naked women. Ooh. Walking in this looks like walking in a rice field. Looks very nice. I mean, I didn't notice it, but it looks nice. Okay, then just opposite the kitchen there is a place where we could sit. Ooh, Palo Santo, guys. We also have hanging plants. Wow, amazing. And another namaste. Now let's go inside. First of all, I love the bed. Seb says it makes his blood not flow, but it's very comfy for me. I like it. I love soft stuff.
It's way too soft.
So we have a flower, a rose flower. I think it's just for welcoming. It's not always there. And this looks very nice. Dun, 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 dun.
The night light.
This is our walking space, and you could walk while you view the nature. So it's pretty amazing. And the windows, actually the house is super open. That's the thing I love from it. We also got this. Smells nice. Seb just burned one of it and it was smelling very nice. I even sneezed. And we have a shelf, a bookshelf with a lot of books. I'm not a reading person, so I didn't even check it. Seb will tell us what it is. And not to mention, we have a net. I forgot to mention that. I mean, it's the nature, so I think there are a lot of bats and maybe, I don't know, mosquitoes maybe. A very nice lamp again. So we're also going to film how it looks like in the night with lights and everything. I hope it's going to look nice. So we have what I like about this place is that there are a lot of hangers. Woo! So all our stuff are here. I love clothes. So this looks very nice in my eyes. Very nice. They're not all mine. This is the part of stuff. You can see it's all gray. And the other part where we put our shorts and trousers and bags. And this is the mirror and the place where you could just sit and dress whatever you want. We also have an AC, although it doesn't look like we will need it here because it's very nice and fresh and open.
Because it's very high.
Yeah, it's also very high. And then, like I love the roof. Look, it's like handmade. The stuff, it's like handmade or something. It's very, very nice. I've never seen this before actually. It's Balinese stuff. So this is the toilet area. Nicely crafted. Here is where we put our dirty clothes. And come we show you. So just to, when you enter, you have this. It has nothing, but it's for toiletries, I guess. And on the right side we have a very nice sink, also something else to put stuff, shaving machines, and our toiletries. Nice mirror here, which is a little bit long, so it's nice for if you want. I love mirrors.
For fashion show.
Fashion show. And we also have a toilet in the middle and a showering area, which is pretty nice because it's not very big, but it's nice design. I like the design. There is this plant, looks amazing, it's super huge. And these elephants. I think Ubud is full of elephants. Everything I see has elephant on it. This has an elephant. The stuff that you smoked, not smoked, the stuff that you burned also had an elephant.
Yeah.
An elephant picture. So it's like an elephant area. Maybe we'll go on a ride with an elephant. So yes, that was the tour on our new home in Ubud.
So this was our Ubud home tour.
Yeah.
Hopefully you enjoyed it. Yeah, now we're heading out to buy some food.
So if you want to see how food shopping in Ubud is,
then click above, we link the video, and yeah, you're welcome to watch it. We see you there or in the next video. Bye bye.
bye.